Another coating of snow could make things worse on already bad road conditions, and you don't have to drive fast to sustain a lot of damage in a fender bender. New at 6, Jonah Kaplan takes us inside a busy auto body shop in Maple Grove.
Sorry if a new bumper wasn't atop your Christmas wish list. You're paying for it now.
It doesn't matter if you get four-wheel drive, and you hit the ice, you're sliding.
Jake Moser's team of mechanics at Ed's Collision and Glass started work at 7:30 this morning. They have nearly 50 damaged vehicles in the queue for repairs. And according to Moser, most aren't from big wrecks, but they still have a big price tag.
The cars are designed today with crash zones in their frame rails and parts that are supposed to crumple and be replaced because it's protecting the passengers inside of the car.
The worst damage sometimes isn't even to the hardware. It's the vehicle's ADAS technology, Advanced Driver Assistance System.
Driver outside there that they expect this car to stop, or they expect this thing to have a beep when I'm backing up, or they expect it to drive itself at times. We have to make sure that everything is back to specs and everything working properly for these cars to function like they're supposed to. If you don't want to come see us, I guess keep your distance.
As for how long the repairs will take, the good news from mechanics we spoke with here, it's still relatively early in the season. So that means dealerships and auto body shops, they've got a lot of parts in stock. Typical turnaround, maybe a week. In Maple Grove, Jonah Kaplan, WCCO News.
And another bit of advice, if your car is still drivable and the damage is relatively minor, most body shops don't charge you for an estimate.